My brother Angel's already at it, man. But we're trying to catch some bait right off the bat first, and we'll probably throw some heavy poles in and try to catch a bigger fish. That's the plan, at least. And we're just using night crawlers and my little go-to rig here, a little bitty hook and a little shot weight, man. That's it. Let's see if we can't catch something. Just thread them on there just like this. Just like that. It's nice and warm out here today in San Antonio, everybody. Oh, yeah, we got the bucket right over here. Is that good bait? And it starts, huh? Show them off.
Nice little sunfish here for bait.
All right, just throw them in the bucket. All right.
These are perfect bait fish right here.
Cool. Oh. Right, here we go, here we go. All right, bait fish. That's perfect, nice and lively. Let's put them in the bucket. There you go. Little sunfish. Oh, little baby channel cat. Pretty one. Nah. Ooh, nice one. Look at his tail. Look at the tail. Look at this one, dude. He's cool. He got a nice little tail and he's barking.
I highlighted one right now. Sunfish.
Come on.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, fish on. Fish on. Bigger than I thought.
Ooh, what you got?
Oh, it's sickly, dude. Oh, right.
Oh, bring him over here.
Big sickly, dude. That's a nice one. Oh, it's a big one.
Damn, let's get the forehead on that guy.
I think this is what got me the first time. Hey, look how nice.
Let me see.
That's a big sickly right there, son.
Show him sideways, bro. Hold him up like all pretty, like want to see the goods.
It's all spring colors. Let me.
Whoa, he's wild, huh?
Yeah, he's a wild one, but let me limp his ass real quick.
He got little teeth in him.
They do.
Like little bitty sheep's head teeth.
Look at that forehead on the beat.
Nice. God, that's cool. Good one, man.
Real good.
Shine the light, yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this Rio Grande go, guys. We don't have no plans for him. Big old male. Look at that hump on his head. Show his teeth. Oh, yeah, little teeth in there. All right, go ahead, man. Laters, guy. All right. So we just got back from catching those bait fishy guys, and my pops already picked up a channel cat. Yeah, that's my dad here. That's Oscar Outdoors,
That's
Dad.
a nice one too.
Hey, already.
Come on, so
Show it off.
Let's get it off.
All right, cool. Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Oh, a bunch earlier. Just scattered. Dad been eating. Over there by that fence.
Yeah, so this time of year, you got these little wild berries that grow. And they're okay to eat, as long as no one peed on them. Tastes just like a raspberry or blackberry. But they're all over the place. And this is what they look like. It's the same stuff you trip all over, cut your legs up. There you go, there's a whole bunch of them, you guys.
They're just.
So when you're in a pinch and you need something to eat, you grab some of them bad boys and show them how to do it, Sergio.
The ripe ones right here.
That's the one right
That one was
there.
actually kind of sweet.
It's foraging.
There you go.
High in antioxidants.
You tried it? High in antioxidants and all that good stuff. Vitamin C. Excellent.
Another week, they'll be nice and purple everywhere.
And that's what they look like. The branch got little thorns on it.
This is a new
What'd you catch over there in the cast net?
That
So,
looks like a badass looking minnow.
you know, we're throwing the cast net.
He's
Look like
purple
some,
and
yeah, black-tail shiner. Ooh, bring him up here. Real close up. Look at that guy. He's jumpy, ain't he?
it's beautiful.
Wow, look at the colors. The translucent colors. Look like a black-tail shiner or a spot-tail shiner.
Yellow.
That's perfect bait. Cool. Hey, we got some more stuff here. What we got? Nice bait fish. Here, try to get this guy out. He's a big shiners.
Oh,
Damn, those are good bait. Yeah, show him the little bitty sunfish. Look how pretty those are. Oh, you got to throw that bass back. That little bass. Yeah, throw him back. Look at this guy. We got a little largemouth here, buddy.
Yeah.
Look at that guy.
Get him out there.
Cool.
Yeah, little shrimp.
Hey, little crawfish. Oh, it's popping. Put him back.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Nice.
That was a good one. Gonna throw them all away. What happened?
Yeah.
What's that? What's that? Ooh, you got a couple. Bring them up here on the shore. You throwing them in the water, nerd? Look here. Here you go. Pretty ones. Pretty ones.
Oh yeah.
They ain't little crappies now. No, they're good to go. Hold on. What is this one? Oh, that was a little bluegills. Okay, go for it. Bait. I see something shiny in there.
Look at the
Put them in the sun.
look at the
God,
colors on that thing. That's a lure right there.
nice.
Nice.
Let's do it again. We're just catching them for fun now, guys. We got enough bait. Whoa! Here, help me.
You got those little catfish back
Here,
there.
pick them up, show them off. Grab them.
That's what they like to eat. Baby catfish, we gotta get them when they get bigger.
Yeah, dude.
Show them off.
I'll tell you that to send me a picture of that freaking fish. You don't want to see what's up.
I'll send you one right now on my phone.
Go ahead, throw them back.
All right, later, dude.
Whoa!
Badass little.
Hey, dude, these are badass little
Yeah.
baby catfish, dude.
Little babies.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, throw them back in the water. Let's go.
These are gonna be. Look.
Keep those ones, those big old, look, show that one off. That's called a golden red horse. It's a sucker species, you guys. Golden red horse.
Nice.
Yeah, those are real stinky, real oily fish. They're good for bait. Cut bait and
All right, put them
pole.
in the bucket.
Look, there's another one right here too. Grab that one too. Where's your shit? Yeah. Christopher, he went to your right. Oh, he's up there. By the deer blind. Big fucker. Let's walk around. I saw like fucking 10 of them. Yeah. You can sneak up on them, man, if you chase them.
Those high bushes, they're in there. You didn't know it.
The AR is what I needed. Hey guys, so we had a good day today. We traced those little hogs real quick. My dad caught that big catfish. Went out down the creek, we caught some bait fish. We're gonna freeze them up later, man, and probably go fishing over here with them later on. But just to close out the day, man, we got the AR right here, baby. Thank you for watching Oscar Outdoors, everybody. Oh! Watch out! Woo! Hey, like and subscribe, get me notified, everybody. I'll start doing. Yeah, blew up my GoPro.
It's gonna be good footage though.
And it's still going.
Yeah?